People, how na dey? At least una dey fine, una dey balance, that kind of thing. Now na girl Bella O reality story. I don come again today with another ogbonge story. The story I get for her today, na one of my clients na actually send her come share. So that's how the story go. She say she dey keep one relationship with one guy. She say she love the guy well, and so the guy love and scatter. Say the guy love her, man. They even dey bust her head safe because the guy love and scatter. Say by the two she call the notice now be say the guy dey also beat the guy, they beat her at every little thing. Whenever even reach to even call herself, no talk of say fight, the guy go not beat her. Say no be small beat too. Say the guy can even beat her for public. The guy for the feed worker for road safe. She just talk with the guy, waiting no reach to fight. The guy go beat her put. Say for anywhere, even for where the guy friends deal, for where her friends deal, so the guy they beat her even now and then. So by the two they be say the guy they give her money where the guy they buy and give, the guy they help her, they say her through school said. So now make she not feel even leave the guy because of those things. See, but the beating now don't too much. She got to be like a disgrace for her. Say when she go even day for hostel, say the guy will come out hostel. Maybe she not quick with her for leisure. Say that so the guy will come hostel, come beat her like say tomorrow no day. That time say her face go swell up, put all those kind of things. Say so she don't really tire. Say she got the one they get two minds. I might call they get two whether may she leave the relationship or may she still stay. So but her friends they tell her say may she stay. Say you no mean anything. Say the guy love her. So the way the guy want to express love be that. Say everybody with the way they say they express their love. Say now the guy won't be that. Say so may she stay. Now one of those things. Say but she not saying like that. Now make us may she commit reality story. May ROS advice her. May ROS tell her about the matter whether may she still stay the relationship or not. So now the story be that to my people. My dear, your story reach my table. Wait till I go fit advise you for this matter so we they gonna be say. First of all, this person wey they talk about so he never marry you. This person so my boyfriend and girlfriend they do. They beat you so beat every minute, every second. What if as they beat you one they go shook and for your eye, blind your eye? You go still marry you again. You can't get one eye. When your papa and your mama born you, you come in life with two eyes. Now you want person called blind down. Not only that safe. During that between the beat, what if you go eat you for someone supposed to eat you? You can't fall down, you can't die. You go talk about again say they care for you, they this. So now don't care when they care for you or say because they foot your biz. All those things that make you no one live on. Let me say you value those material things than your life. If you not so you value your life. You're not supposed to sit down and think that your friend advice to say he like you and don't want to express his love with that your friend a bad friend. Not like you're good at all. Because if you like you're good, you go advise you true. Because of how you go to say man when they beat you, and the way we want to express love in beating every little thing like you talk. Waiting if not even reach to raise hand, you go raise hand and go beat you. For waiting. Never marry, I know they pound you like that, like pounded down. What if you go carry you enter house, you don't marry you? I say that time you know go call, you know go feel get ready to run to. Till you go kill you one day. No, they think now when we say they see the handwriting and they say and now say this place this road so no road for this place I won't pass so the ending you block you know go even reach end you know go better run. Now when you say don't kill you finish your parents will cut short now you want if you don't finish you say sorry that man is not normal. I go advise you may you pick your slippers may you run. Forget whether they give you money or that they give you nothing. Now all day life now they live life now all day life like they go school. So think that one. Think that one, my dear, make you by yourself, dust your slippers, come on for that kind of relationship. Relationship when you say you you know they get peace. It's that time you run. Not be when you say they go kill you put first. And your cops time want me to take break up from the relationship. Your friend don't like your good though. And the advice I get for you be that think calm. Imagine you do a person just they give you more pains than happiness. Then what is the point to stay with that kind of person? Pack your load, may you run now. Tell her say you don't want. Better person will come, my dear. And with the advice I get for you be that they want to manage relationship of beating. Not be done beating person will manage. So now with that I get for you be that. So my country people, now the story be that. Till next time now, I will come again with another bonge story. Till then, be good.